Now that the keynote date is official, the new iPhones are just around the corner. But what if I told you could take a sneaky look at the new iPhones right now? I'm David, this is AndroidPIT, and I'm about to show you the iPhones of the future. Many a name has been given to the new Apple phones: the iPhone XS or XS, the iPhone XI or 11, the iPhone X 2018. But we're unlikely to know the real names until the Apple event in September. For now, what we know for sure is that there will be 3 different models. For the sake of convenience, we're going to call them the iPhone XS, the iPhone XS Plus, and the iPhone X Lite for now. The first 2 iPhones are perhaps the most interesting. The iPhone XS will be aesthetically identical to the iPhone X, but with improved specs such as the new Apple A12 chip and second generation Face ID technology, according to the rumours. Both will feature an AMOLED display with a notch. The size of the notch will be the same as on the iPhone X. There's been some rumours about colours for the new iPhones, and it seems you'll be able to choose between black, white, or a new gold one. The third iPhone model is very reminiscent of the iPhone X, but uses a slightly larger display. Same notch, same aluminium frame, same glass back, but the display panel should be an LCD. Rumours in this regard speak of a first generation Face ID and a lower price than the iPhone XS and XS Plus. In terms of size, the iPhone X Lite is positioned halfway between the other 2 models. The third iPhone model, the one we're calling the Lite, is very reminiscent of the iPhone X but features a slightly larger display. The iPhone X Lite will use a single photo sensor, not a dual camera like on the iPhone XS. It also has slightly larger bezels around the display and the phone is slightly thicker, but you can only see this by comparing the various models side by side. Apple has probably made the tweaks to offer the Lite at a lower price, at least that's what we hope. The iPhone X Lite should launch in 4 different colours. Fancy an iPhone X Lite in red or blue? Personally, I would embrace the variation. Apple is expected to present these new iPhones on September 12th at the Steve Jobs Theatre. We'll be following the event live to bring you all the news as it happens. If you like this video, leave us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.